2012 Toyota Camry, 108,000 miles. Still has the original tail light bulbs. Never replaced a light bulb in this thing ever since 2012. I did have to replace a battery terminal. They're rusted out and stuff. But other than that, a battery cable. Other than that, you can see the engine. No leaks. Slight seepage there. It's understandable after 16 years, 17 years. I obviously did put a belt on it at one point. Changed the oil every 5,000 miles. Replacing the air filter and changing the oil today. It's really clean. Underneath, 108,000 miles, 2012. Everything's dry. No leaks from the seals. Original axle boots. Exhaust, all original. We are in Pennsylvania, so it is salty here. This is the Rust Belt. Brake lines, not brake lines, fuel lines. And brake lines. They don't rust unlike these things. I did mention, it does have a little bit of noise in the front end going over bumps. It's these sway bar links. Minor maintenance. They're a little bit noisy, but other than that, suspension's tight. Does have a little bit of transmission torque converter shudder. Usually accelerating lightly, but you just drive it a little harder and there's no issues. I actually never did a transmission service on this thing yet. I'll be doing that soon. No issues with the transmission at all. Never had a check engine light. Never even replaced a frickin' light bulb. Tire pressure monitor light is on. One of the batteries in the tire pressure monitors are dead, but who needs that? It's just an LE 2.5 4-cylinder, which you can't go wrong with that engine. Look at that. 2012 Camry. It's 2026 right now.